Today I will be speaking about green energy and the manufacturing renaissance. In recent years, the world has become more aware of environmental problems such as climate change, pollution, and rising global temperatures. Because of these challenges, countries are shifting toward cleaner and more sustainable sources of energy. This shift toward renewable energy is not only helping the environment, but is also transforming global industries. In particular, it is leading to a manufacturing renaissance, meaning a revival or strong growth of manufacturing activities. In this presentation, I will discuss what green energy is, why the world is shifting toward it, how it is transforming manufacturing industries, the economic and environmental benefits of this transformation. 2. What is green energy? Green energy refers to energy produced from natural sources that are renewable and environmentally friendly. Unlike fossil fuels, green energy sources produce little or no harmful emissions. Common types of green energy include solar energy, wind energy, hydropower, geothermal energy, biomass energy. Technologies like solar power and wind power are becoming increasingly popular around the world. These sources are sustainable because they rely on natural processes such as sunlight and wind that are continuously available. 3. Why the world is moving toward green energy. There are several reasons why countries and industries are adopting green energy. 1. Climate change concerns. Burning fossil fuels releases greenhouse gases that contribute to global warming. International agreements, such as the Paris Agreement, aim to reduce carbon emissions and encourage countries to adopt renewable energy. 2. Energy security. Many countries rely heavily on imported fossil fuels. By investing in renewable energy sources, countries can reduce their dependence on foreign energy supplies and increase energy security. 3. Technological advancements. Advances in technology have made renewable energy more efficient and affordable. Companies like Tesla are investing heavily in clean energy technologies and energy storage systems. These innovations are making green energy more accessible. 4. Understanding the manufacturing renaissance. The term manufacturing renaissance refers to the revival or rapid growth of manufacturing industries. For many years, manufacturing in some countries slowed down because production moved to lower-cost regions. However, the global transition to green energy is creating new opportunities for manufacturing growth. Factories are now producing equipment needed for renewable energy systems, such as solar panels, wind turbines, electric vehicle batteries, energy storage systems. This has led to increased demand for skilled workers, new factories, and advanced technologies. 5. Green energy driving manufacturing growth. Green energy is driving a manufacturing renaissance in several important sectors. 1. Solar panel manufacturing. The demand for solar energy systems has increased rapidly. Companies such as First Solar manufacture solar panels used in large solar farms and residential installations. As more countries install solar power systems, the need for solar panel manufacturing continues to grow. 2. Wind turbine production. Wind energy projects require large wind turbines. Companies like Vestas manufacture wind turbines used in wind farms around the world. The growth of wind energy is creating thousands of manufacturing jobs. 3. Electric vehicle manufacturing. The transition to clean transportation is another important factor. Electric vehicles, often called EVs, are becoming more popular as governments promote environmentally friendly transport. Car manufacturers such as Tesla and BYD Company are producing electric vehicles and battery technologies. This has increased demand for battery manufacturing and related industries. 6. Economic benefits of green energy manufacturing. The growth of green energy manufacturing offers several economic benefits. 1. Job creation. New factories and renewable energy projects create jobs in areas such as engineering, manufacturing, construction, research and development. Many countries see green energy as an opportunity to create millions of new jobs. 2. Industrial growth. Countries investing in renewable energy manufacturing can become global leaders in new technologies. This helps strengthen their economies and improve competitiveness in international markets. 3. Technological innovation. Green energy industries encourage research and innovation. New technologies improve energy efficiency and reduce costs, making renewable energy more practical and widespread. 7. Environmental benefits. Green energy manufacturing also provides important environmental benefits. 1. Reduction in carbon emissions. Renewable energy sources produce far fewer greenhouse gases compared to fossil fuels. This helps slow down global warming and protect the environment. 2. Cleaner air and water. Using renewable energy reduces pollution from coal and oil power plants. Cleaner air improves public health and reduces environmental damage. 3. Sustainable resource use. Renewable energy relies on natural resources such as sunlight and wind, which do not run out. This ensures a more sustainable future for future generations. 8. Challenges in green energy manufacturing. Although green energy offers many benefits, there are also some challenges. 1. High initial costs. Setting up renewable energy infrastructure and manufacturing plants can require significant investment. However, costs are decreasing as technology improves. 2. Supply chain issues. Manufacturing renewable technologies requires materials such as lithium and rare earth metals. Managing these supply chains can sometimes be difficult,